Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device and the Smart Finder app are up to date, and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Once done, grant the app permissions so it can scan and connect. Next, power on the tracker and bring it within roughly 10 meters of your phone. The connection often fails beyond that range. This first step gets communication established, which is why you prioritize firmware, permissions, and proximity before proceeding to active location. You now move into precise locating. Open Live Scan and allow the signal to stabilize. Rapid movement causes fluctuating readings. Use the app's directional indicator and distance readout to walk slowly towards stronger signal values. Pause periodically to let the app update. When the distance drops below a few meters, switch to the ping sound or map view to triangulate position. Make sure to vary your angle around furniture or obstacles so you can narrow down the exact spot. You finish by retrieving the item and immediately confirming the device shows as connected. Then mark it as found so notifications stop. If the signal was intermittent, replace the tracker battery or reseat it in its housing to eliminate contact issues. If you still have trouble, check the app's last seen timestamp and map. It tells you when and where the tracker was previously detected, which guides a secondary search. One quick tip: restart Bluetooth on your phone if the app won't reconnect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.